how to add Printful Product to Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Printful POD or print on demand product to your favorite platform of Squarespace. The process is going to be very easy and very simple. We are going to start it from the beginning. So we are going to head over or connect our account of the Squarespace, of course. Then we are going to head over Printful and sign in for our account. Now, once you are here, normally you are going to connect your store. If you have already connected your store, that means that you know what you are going to do, and it is going to be very simple to set that up. Now, let's say that we are going to be complete beginners, so we are going to start by adding our stores. So we are going to click on stores. Now we are going to here to see the specific, as you can see, websites or stores that we have. So I am going to add in here or choose the platform. Click on choose platform, and then we're going to see the different platforms. So we are going to choose from these platforms Squarespace. We're going to click on connect. So we are going to connect it, click on connect, and then normally we are going to see our account of Squarespace. We are going to allow the connection and we're going to select the website. So state parameter mismatch. So we are going to head over again. So we are going to head over, get started again. I have some issues set up with the platform, so it is going to be something that it is going to be recurring. And we are going to bear with that and connect once, twice, and also 3 times. So as you can see here, we are going to have an account. I'm going to continue with my account. I'm going to confirm here the site, and we are going to see the site. This is the site title or the name of the website. So we are going to add our first product to the Squarespace. We are going to click on here, wait for the products to load up. Once we have things in here, we are going to select one of the products that we are going to customize. So we are going to select maybe this latte mug. So we are going to wait for it. We can go ahead and deposit upload the image or the logo that we are going to put in here. Click on uploads, and then you're going to have yours. In case mine is already in here, so I'm going to have it just like that. You can go ahead and modify the product prices by setting up here the different, as you can see, patterns, and also the continuation to the results. Now we are going to click on continue after we have set up the logo. Now you can go ahead and choose the basic mockups. I'm going to use these mockups. Click on continue. And then we are going to set up the product title, description, and the benefits of on-demand manufacturing, and etc. So now we are going to set up the store page. As you can see, click on continue, details, which is going to be related to the price, retail price by, for example, here we have the percentage. So we're going to put it as maybe 60%. So we are going to have this total price, or we are going to have it as 90%. I don't know. So we are going to submit, for example, to the store. We're going to calculate that 485 maybe. It says something that I'm going to decrease it by here 150%. Or it is going to be, or I'm going to increase it by, let's say here 60%. Now we are going to increase it by 90%, also 90%, and we're going to set the retail maybe price to 95 or 25.99. And from the beginning I was setting up the things that were wrong in here, so this is wrong for me. Please forgive me for that. I'm going to click on submit to store and wait for the progress bar to finish the counting, and then we're going to see our product. So you are going to get the link of view in Squarespace, and that is going to take you directly to the website of yours and to the inventory. So we are going to click on it and wait for the inventory to take us in, and then we're going to see the progress or the specific, as you can see, products. So we are going to see it from the products, and here we have it. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.